Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last Saturday I went to a gig in East London in a rather small, intimate little venue. And about halfway through the evening, I needed to go out and get some fresh air because the place was absolutely rammed. As I was standing outside, getting a bit of fresh air, a guy from upstairs came down and stood next to me, and he got out a cigarette and was just about to light it when, very considerately, he turned round to me and said, "Oh, sorry mate, do you mind if I smoke here?" To which I replied, "Knock yourself out, mate." In this context, knock yourself out basically means you go ahead and do what you want to do, or go ahead and do what you need to do. And I guess there's a slight implication of, even if it's something that I don't personally do myself, or I don't personally really approve of. So it can mean something like that. It can also mean, do what you want, I really don't care. So you often use it as a response in situations like this. Maybe someone's come round to your house and you've offered them a biscuit and they devour the biscuit and they say, "Whoa, those biscuits are delicious. Do you mind if I take a couple more?" Knock yourself out. Where it basically means help yourself, do what you want to do. Maybe your partner or someone you're working with tells you, "Oh, I'm off out for a run," and you reply by saying, "Knock yourself out," where it means something like, do what you want to do, I'm not really that bothered, I don't really care. I saw the phrase used the other day on a kind of viral video of a guy walking around London wearing a kind of VR headset, and he stopped in the middle of the road and was doing these weird kind of shapes with his hand because I guess he was involved in some kind of interactive game. And someone had filmed him doing this and uploaded it with the slogan, "Knock yourself out, mate." One final example. Prince William once said that bringing peace to the Middle East was his life's mission. I suspect he may not have been entirely truthful when he said this, but hey, if it was true, now's your chance, Wills. Knock yourself out. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please kind of click the like button so that other people find out about us. Please share the video on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of when you think you might use knock yourself out.